YouTube, today I'm back and today I will be opening the Pokemon TCG Victini V Battle Deck. So there's the Victini V card and a nice deck. So it's pretty cool. The V Battle Deck, the Victini text. So the card lists which are inside. Let's open it. So yeah, we have opened it and there's a transparent box. Victini V card, and there's a damage counters in a card. There's also a code card. So yeah, there's a code card, the Victini V card. That's so cool. It's holographic. Yeah, I guess. So, code card, my first code card because the other packs were fake. The special conditions for poisoned, burned, and paralyzed. Damage counters. The playmat, the coin. How to get this coin out? So I'm trying to get the coin out. Oof. I think I got it. It's so hard. So we got it. Victini coin. It's super cool. So we got the instruction. I'm not gonna read it now. Then we got the what is this called? Poster kind of thing with the Gardevoir V deck and also the Victini V deck. Advertisement. We got the playmat. There's also Victini hair. Pretty nice. The prize card section, bench, active Pokemon, 4 active Pokemon, discard pile, deck. It's pretty nice. So yeah, there's also a poster at the back, which is not good. I wanted the poster, I wanted to hang it up. So let's open the cards, the card box. There's 59 cards, I guess, or 60, I don't know, because the Victini is outside, so there's 59 cards. We got fire energy. There are a lot of fire energies I can see. There are a total of 18 fire energies. There's Hop, Vulpix, Scorbunny, Switch, Dan, a pretty good trainer card. Energy, Raboot, Great Ball, Ninetales, Fire Energy, Milo, Professor's Research, Cinderace, Fire Energy, Gym Trainer, Minccino, Bede, Energy, Hop, another Hop. I think there are 2 Hops. No, there are 4 Hops. Chatot, Terminator, Fire Energy, Evolutionism, Hop, Raboot, Fire Energy, Sonia, a trainer card, yeah. Vulpix, Score Bunny, Energy, Level Ball, no idea what it is. Chinchino, Bede, Gym Trainer, Minchino, Energy, Jan, Great Ball, Milo, Energy, Cinderace, Switch, another one, Energy, Score Bunny, Ninetales, Vulpix, Energy, Professor's Research, Hop, Chatot, Fire Energy, Raboot, and that's it. So there are a lot of Fire Energies. So Victini V, the card is super cool. The damages are awesome because they do 30% damage for each energy. The Victini coins, the special conditions, which I'm going to be opening. There's confused, paralyzed, and poisoned, and burned. Need to toss a coin to make your Pokemon recover. Yup. They are saying all the things about the special conditions, what you can do during your turn. Asleep, yeah, there's also asleep and paralyzed, confused, which your card is flipped upside down. So, poisoned, your Pokemon's poisoned and gets 10 damage. I don't know. Burned, same I guess, with like poison. So guys, this was the video. If you guys liked this video, give a big thumbs up. And let's see the back side of the cards. The fake ones are, the back side is a bit more brighter. So guys, if you guys like this video, give a big thumbs up. Okay guys, bye. See you guys next time.